Stay tuned for an update on the Nintendo Switch giveaway and an unboxing of the new Amazon Echo Spot. Hi YouTube, welcome to DigiTales, I'm Olivia. We are giving away another Nintendo Switch, which is only for our YouTube subscribers. Click the link in the description below to enter. Just comment below after you've entered, telling me that you are here for the giveaway. To be in with a chance of winning the Xbox One X for patrons, make sure you have signed up to our Patreon page to enter. Oh, and don't forget to check out our brand new merch store on our website. All links are in the description below. Yesterday, the Amazon Echo Spot was finally released in the UK, and I have mine right here. I already used my Echo Gen 1 and I have about 3 Echo Dots dotted around my flat. I guess the big question is, what is so different and special about the Spot? Well, the main difference is that it is the first Echo device I have received which has a screen. The Spot will still play music, read the news, answer questions, set like music alarms, and control all of your smart home and much more. The screen enables you to drop in on a family member or ask Alexa to call mum, or you could ask Alexa to show my photo. If you have smart cameras, you can ask to see the front door camera, show my calendar, or see what the weather is doing are also nice features, as well as seeing the lyrics to music being streamed from Prime, Spotify, TuneIn, etc. At £119, the Spot is a cheaper alternative to its bigger screened brother, the Echo Show, which has a 7-inch screen compared to the Spot's 2.5-inch screen. The speaker on the Spot is also smaller than the Echo, Echo Plus, and Echo Show, but it is larger than the Dot speaker. Just like the Dot, you can plug the Spot into another speaker through Bluetooth or the 3.5-inch cable jack. The Spot comes in 2 colors, black and white. I have the white one to match my Echo and Dots, and will probably replace the Dot in my bedroom with the Spot, although I'm not really sure about like the whole family members dropping in thing into my bedroom. So maybe the living room might actually be a better choice. With the Apple HomePod about to be released for almost 4 times the price, you're going to have to really want to use Siri and Apple Music to justify the cost, considering all the many options you now have, including Alexa integrated into Sonos and Google Assistant in everything, including your fridge. Which smart speakers do you already own, and who do you think will have the best smart speaker between Amazon, Apple, and Google? I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. So let's unbox this baby. Woohoo! I love it when tape is easy to take off. Why doesn't everybody do this? Trust Amazon to do it the right way. Ooh, pretty. I love doing that. I'll turn it on. Ooh, it's coming on. Ooh, get a close-up of this.
Hello, your Echo Spot is ready for setup.
Hello. That one. Oh no. There's a software update and it's going to take approximately 10 minutes. Download and install.
Updating your Echo Spot.
Great. La-di-da. So we may as well get on with our next video while we're here. Dragon Ball Fighters! Yay! Let's unbox it! Still not done. So it finished updating and we totally did not just record another video in between. So yay, it's done. So it says introducing Echo Spot. I'm assuming I'm supposed to press this.
Introducing Amazon Echo Spot. A stylish, compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your office desk or bedside table. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today, there are 2 events. At 8 AM, call Gran, and at 4 PM, there's Richard's football match.
Use room-to-room calling to see how the family are.
Match.
Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. You can also message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app.
Ooh.
Your Echo Spot is ready.
Yay! It's really cool. I think the speaker is a lot better on this than it is on the Dot. Voucher. Alexa, remind me on Sunday to call Mum.
What time Sunday should I remind you?
3 a.m. Because I'm crazy.
Okay, I'll
Yay.
remind you Sunday at 3 a.m.
Cool. I'm going to forget to turn that off. Alexa, cancel call Mum on Sunday.
There is no active call.
Damn it. Whoa! Drop-in worked.
I can't see you.
Hi.
No, I can't.
So I have to turn it around, which means it's not looking at the camera. So the people in the audience cannot see what is going on the screen. Before you go, please remember the giveaways are only for our subscribers and our patrons. And the more that you share this video, the more tech that we will continue to give away. So hit subscribe and the bell icon below and leave me a comment letting me know if you're here for the giveaway. Also, feel free to add me on my Snapchat. It's liv_digitails, or you can scan this QR code right here through the app. Please leave me a comment below and click on my big logo subscribe button, which is right over here. And don't forget to click on the bell icon below to get notifications whenever we post new content and competitions. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. And you can also check out my Patreon page over here, or another one of my videos like this one below.